Hi guys! I'm back! So meron tayong question dito. Ang question is, safe bang bumili ng isang property na walang title pero may tax declaration? When it comes to the word safe, I cannot say na totally safe siya. Kasi may mga properties naman talaga na tax declaration lang ang meron. Ibig sabihin, hindi pa siya na-issuehan ng title ng Registry of Deeds. Yung tax declaration naman kasi talaga is proof of ownership, pero can be questioned. Sabi nga dito, a holder of a torrent's title in good faith is guaranteed that his or her title is indefeasible, unassailable, and imprescriptible. Basta dapat in good faith niyang nakuha. Ang ibig sabihin ng indefeasible, hindi natatalo. Ang ibig sabihin ng unassailable, cannot be attacked or cannot be questioned. Ang ibig sabihin ng imprescriptible, hindi nawawala sa paglipas ng panahon. So yon guys, pinaka-safe talaga is pag bibili ka ng isang property, meron na siyang torrents title. So guys, pag bumibili kayo ng property, talk to your licensed real estate broker. If you have any questions or suggestions, just comment down below and let me help you find your dream property. Thank you!